Not really. I mean, I don't. I mean, the high was 19. I mean, it came back 20 pips from the high, so it's not particularly a distressed close. Again within reason of the range. I mean, you can see it here on the chart. It's not particularly a distressed close. And remember, the euro yen is pushing higher. The dollar yen is pushing higher. The yen is technically giving us some sell signals. It's kind of neutral, so that is a decent close. If you want to look at the Aussie yen survey, just looking at the radar screen, that is again because the yen is slightly weak. You can see that our buy from last week is 80.04. We closed the week at 80.22. You see the pound yen is close to the structure point, which is the 125 or whatever that number is, 126.19. The euro yen is close to the 101.62. The Aussie yen is right above the 80.04. If you look at top of the radar screen at the dollar yen, it's already above the 78.20. So the yen has triggered multiple sell signals. So we can take the yen or the Aussie yen, the pound yen, the euro yen to the upside, and as long as it goes above the structural point, Paul, we should be fine with that. So we have multiple trigger signals, buy signals on the yen pairs. Now, with this, there is only one reservation with the Aussie yen, and the reservation with the Aussie yen is that the Aussie is weak. And looking at this chart, it actually tells a little bit different story than what the radar screen says. The radar screen gives us a buy above the 80.04, and the next structure was the 80.55. It went above the 80.55 and then it rolled over and it came down. And right now it is sitting blah between the 80.55 and the 80.04. And how many times have you guys heard me in the last few weeks saying the 80.04 and the 80.55? So with this survey, you should have picked that easily with you, is that you are going to buy the Aussie yen above the 80.55 structure long. Again, you don't want to mess with it in the middle. We can be in the room in the morning, and if we see an entry, we can take it. But in your system, when you put the radar screen in, you want to take it above the 80.55, and you want to short it below the 80.04, which is the structure short point and your stop. Okay, so that is the euro yen. We're going to buy it above the structure long point of 80.55, and that's going to be our long entry and our structure long point and our stop. On the short side, we're going to take it short below the 80.04, which is our structure short point and our stop. Okay, that is the the Aussie yen, and with that we are going to call it a day, and I wish you a great